I'm gonna teach you now how to get verified in BingX. After you got signed in, which I explained how to do in another video, you get a pop-up saying get verified. So you just click on get verified. After that, it will take you to another page. Here, you see two options, basic verifications and advanced verifications. So we're gonna go with the basic verification. It's just gonna ask you for your nationality, ID type, last name, first name, your ID number, which you can see on your ID card, and date of birth. And you need to be over 18 to get verified on BingX. So now we're gonna try the advanced verification. So we're gonna choose if you're in the USA or outside of the USA. Then click continue. So it gives me that option. We're gonna choose our document type, which we can put an ID card, passport, or driver license. I'm gonna go with ID card. So you just have to upload your ID, and when you click next, it's gonna ask you to show the back of the card. After that, you have to take a selfie and you're all done. And that's it, guys. I hope this tutorial helped. See you in another video. Bye bye.